in this week, what we're going to be looking at is a 4-bedroom HMO that we're currently coming towards an end of the refurbishment. What we've done is completely gutted out the property. We've put 4 double bedrooms with en-suites in the property with a communal area in the center of the house. So we're going to take a look of what's actually happening. We're coming towards the end of it now, so it's fitting the en-suites and also making sure that we're doing snags, flooring down, etc. So let's take a look at what's been happening so far. So as you can see, currently at the moment, we're in the kitchen communal area. So this is 18 square meters in total, which comes well in the regulations of what's needed for kitchen communal space in a 4-bedroom HMO. Now, even though it's a 4-bedroom HMO, it's not actually a licensed HMO, but we still do everything to licensed standards. For us, this is important for our clients, so we know that if any time regulations change, either on a licensing point of view or fire regulations, everything's done to licensing standards. This gives our clients peace of mind, so we're able to make sure that they've got a solid investment and they future-proof their properties. Now, in the kitchen communal, what we've done in here is obviously we put a brand new kitchen in here. This originally was just say like a dining area. What we did was we actually blocked off the archways through there. And by doing that, we're able to kind of create another bedroom on the other side, which we'll go through in a minute, with an ensuite, with a double bedroom. And then behind on this side is we've got another bedroom where the original kitchen was, and the kitchen kind of stroke dining room as well. And that way we've been able to create 4 bedrooms with ensuites, good sizable double bedrooms as well. So let's take a tour around the rest of the house in here. So we're currently at the moment in bedroom number 3. This has an ensuite on just like all the other 3 bedrooms as well. The important thing for us in HMOs is making sure that all our rooms are very, very spacious. Okay, so making sure that we stick to double room standards if 2 people are sharing. This way we know that we can actually cover all angles, but in this grand scheme of things is that we'd rather have all the rooms let, because they're really good sizes. Because yes, you can go for a single bedroom and get maybe say another bedroom out of the property, but in reality what happens is that room normally stays empty for a very, very long time. So what we found is, from my experience, by having good sized double bedrooms where people don't feel cramped and actually want to be in those rooms with an ensuite, that the actual tenants want to move in, and we have less voids as we found over time, because we've got good solid double rooms and we don't compensate on things. Yes, we could get an extra room in, it may rent, it may not, but in reality I'd rather have a full house let out very, very easily than trying to stagger and spend time on trying to get a room actually let out as well. As you can see, everything's all painted now at the moment. We're just finishing the en-suites. Shower screens are going in. Let's take a look in one of the en-suites now. Also making sure that we put accent walls. We kind of change things now and again, but it's making sure that we keep to a system and our clients know exactly what product they're getting and make sure that everything's a high quality standard. So as you can see with this HMO currently at the moment, so I'm in bedroom number 4 now. I've just shown you in the ensuite for this room. Making sure that we don't compensate, that's the important thing. We want to make sure that we're actually progressing with our clients and they've got the best property that we can deliver. So space is important. For this, it's a double bedroom, just like all our bedrooms in this property, and just making sure that our clients actually perform. Thanks for watching this week's Refurb Wednesdays. Now I'm super excited for you guys, and thanks very much for actually investing this time in us. Now, if you guys actually don't have the time to build a profitable portfolio and you actually want to get started in UK property, whether you live in the UK or outside of the UK, then certainly reach out to us. You can do that at info@jenicproperty.com. Otherwise, you can go to jenicproperty.com and you can book in a call with one of our team to see how we can help you move forward and start profiting from UK property with minimal time effort. Otherwise, hit me up with a message at Property with Nic Clark, and you can hit me on Instagram, LinkedIn, or even Facebook. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you on next week's Refurb Wednesdays.